Hycleen Balance is our latest digitally controlled valve. It adequately balances the temperature throughout the building through sensors and smart algorithms. Many buildings, for example old as well as new buildings, have an inconsistency in temperature distribution throughout the building. This is caused due to inadequate balancing or also due to infrequent use of the system, or also just basically due to the complexity of the system. This leads to growth of Legionella. So how do we solve that? Our Hycleen Balance balances the temperature precisely on the set temperature through the entire building, through sensors and smart algorithms. It does not only measure the temperature, but it initiates the right actions to get back on the right temperature level. So what does it help us now? Of course, we do not only solve the hygiene topic, but basically we also reduce the use of energy, heating energy, and we increase the comfort for our end consumer because the long waiting time in a shower is now gone.